Hi guys, Sarah here. I have some more diamond paintings to share with you today. Hope you're all doing well. I believe there's two in here. These were sent to me by Everydayedeals. I did review for them already. That was the Forest Friends diamond painting that I recently showed in my completed. But they reached out to me and asked if I could review some more. So I have two more here. Let's start off with this one. Feels a little thicker. I will have all the links down below for you guys. Both of these paintings were $3.99 US or $5.20 Canadian. And they did ship them out to me October 30th, and I received them the 16th of November. So just 17 days, I believe that is. Just doing the math in my head. So for these ones, I did pick a Christmas image. Extra plastic there. Super stiff canvas for this one, which is good, not a problem. Just gonna roll it backwards real quickly. There we go. Super cute. It's a 30 by 30 snowman. He's got peppermints on his hat and snowflakes around him. Let me just quickly measure for you guys. Because 30 by 30 is the outside, so it's a 20, just shy of 25 by, again, just shy of 25. 25 by 25 centimeters. There's 20 colors. There are two symbols, one in the top left, one in the bottom right, and 20 colors. Looks like all symbols, or sorry, all numbers and letters. There are no symbols in there. There is the drill field. And this one is round drill. It looks good. The twos on the black here are not very dark, but that is the only one that's black background. So that's not going to be an issue in trying to figure out which drill it is. There is only the one. And it is nice and sticky. Kind of excited to work on this one for Christmas. We did put up our Christmas tree on the weekend. If any of you are Christmas crazy like me, did you put your tree up? Lots of static today. We also have snow today too, so we are in our cold season with the heat on, so it's going to cause even more static for me. Here's the kit that was in there. Just simple kit with your green boat, couple baggies, wax, and a single placer pen. And here are the drills. Go through them quickly. The GMC codes were on the canvas. They are not on the drills. You can see it's the ones with the silver and kind of like blue background. It just has the canvas code and the drill number. So I'll show you guys the back so you can see. It's like a light pink. This is the black, yeah, the 310. So nice one big pouch there. We have some gray blues, pinkish red, navy, turquoise, pink, red, burgundy. Here's another navy, more blue. It's gonna be really, really pretty, I think. There's like a violet in there. That must be with the white parts and the snowflakes. Pretty turquoise. Even prettier turquoise, and we have some white. So those are the drills. Again, a super cute little Christmas image that I will get done up before Christmas time. And then the next one, this should be a special drill. Again, same price, $2.99 US, $5.20 Canadian was the price when I had them on there. And these were sent to me free from Everydayedeals to review. And this one will look familiar. So I actually just unboxed this in a full round drill, and this is the special drill. Quickly show you the kit here. Same thing, boat, couple baggies, wax, and a pen. And here is the image. This is the bee that kind of looks like it's on watercolor and the honeycombs with some flowers and the beautiful big honeybee. So pretty. And this is going to be all special drills. So you can see all in the bee, around the flowers. There's some flower petals, some leaves. Inside the honeycombs, it looks like there's going to be a nice big drill in there. 9 different ones for this one. Here is the legend, and you can see drill field looks really nice and clear. The image is really, really clear. This one's gonna have to be flattened for a while though. I find the special drills, you want to make sure this is flattened totally if you want to iron it, because once you put those drills on there, if you still have some creases left, you'll see them. They don't hide. So if you can see the glare on the glue, it's just on the areas where the drills go. It looks super nice and shiny. Very excited about this one. I love the colors. And it'll be interesting when this is done and the other one to compare the two of them, so you can see how much of a difference doing regular diamond painting to special drill for the same image. This one's going to be a bit bigger though. There was no size on this one, so I didn't know the size when I ordered it, but I figured it would probably be like a 30 by 40. But it is 24 by 34. 24 by 34. And there's no concerns with size because it is special drill. The image is really clear. It looks so pretty, even without the drills. But let's take a look. Get this open. So pretty. Here is the AB drill, and usually you just get like a clear crystal. This one is super rainbow AB. So pretty. I hope you guys are seeing that. That's gonna look really nice. Then we have our golden yellow. We have a brown, turquoise, dark pink, light pink, and here's our special. This is an AB teardrop, an AB marquee, and these giant yellow ones to go for honeycombs. It's going to be so pretty. Very excited about that. So finally able to get both of those in regular drill and special. Again, I will have all the links down below to both of these images and their website. Check them out. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.